Use the Open eBooks app to download library books to your iPad. Before you get started on this tutorial, you need to do two things. You need to download the Open eBooks app from the App Store or from self-service. Then you need to email the librarian at your building and ask for a code for Open eBooks. You do need a code before you can set up and use this system. Once you get your code, you can go ahead, open the app, and log in with First Book. Please do not log in with Cleaver. You need to log in with First Book in order for this to work. At this point, you're going to use the code that you've gotten from your librarian. It's a long code, but the great thing is you only have to enter it once. You'll also get a PIN number, which is much shorter, but again, only needs to be entered one time. Press Login, and you will be sent to a catalog with many, many great books. If you look at the screen, you'll notice that there are also books for elementary school students. This system is available to your entire family. So if you have younger brothers or sisters in your home, feel free to ask the librarian for more codes. We will be glad to send you a code for each of your siblings or any younger family members that are living with you. For our purposes, we're going to go ahead and click on the high school button, and you're going to see a big list of books load. And this isn't everything, this is just the welcome screen. So as I go through the screen, I can see there's action and adventure, biographies, all types of fiction, and even some nonfiction. Once I decide what I want to investigate or look at first, and I think I will pick mysteries for today, I can go ahead and click that, and then I will be taken to a screen with the entire collection of mystery books that this system offers. If I take a look at my screen, I can see that I've already downloaded one book and that all the other books say Get. The great thing about this system is that you will always be able to find a book on this system. You will never get a message that says someone else has it or that you have to wait in line. These books will always be available to you. If you've already downloaded it, it will tell you that, but you can always go back and get a new one or another one. There's no limit. So I'm going to go ahead and this time check out a book by clicking, and it's called Agent of Chaos. If I click the Get button, the book is going to load, and it's going to stay on my iPad once it loads for 7 weeks. And that seems like a long time, but sometimes that's not long enough for me. So the great thing about this system is that after those 7 weeks are up and the book disappears, I can go right back in the system and download it again. So there's really no limit to how long you can have these books on your iPad. At this point, I can see that the button under Agent of Chaos has changed, and it now says Read. So I can open the book and I can begin reading. So this looks like a great mystery book, and I might want to check it out. I can return it if I don't want to, decide I don't like it, but I don't have to. I can click at the top of the screen. I can make the text size larger if I need to do that, which I might, and I can change the font. I can also use the menu at the top of the screen to go back and look at the different collections and decide if I want a different book. So happy reading. I hope you enjoy this app as much as I do, and I hope that you share it with your family members. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email the librarian. Thank you and happy reading.